Oh my God, it's coming this way. Hala, hala.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning, everything! Good morning, guys! Today is the day that the Lord has made. It's Sunday! Happy Sunday po! Oh my God, napagod kami kagabi. Kahapon. Nagising kami ni Tami, mga 12. And then, balik kami tulog. Nagising na naman mga 4. And then, yun sabi ko, oh my God, it's 5 o'clock. And then sabi pa ni Tami, oy, it's 4 o'clock because yung time pala nag-change. Kuha lang ako ng ano, guys. Oh, ang dami pang ano sa sasakyan. Hindi pa namin kinuha. Mamaya pa yan namin kunin. Kasi aalis po ako mag-grocery. Yan, mag-grocery. Kinuha ko lang po itong ano, camera holder. So, yun. Mag-grocery ako mamaya. And then, kailangan ko anuhin yung sasakyan. Kunin yung mga karga. So, nagising. Bumalik ako natulog, guys. Kasi, 4 o'clock pa pala. And then, time is 5 dahil sa nag-change yung time, diba? So, hold on, guys. Ilagay ko lang itong. And, ngayon, kakain lang ako. Mag-grocery po ako mamaya, guys. Hawahan?
No, come on, Rox.
Rox, finish your dinner. Finish your breakfast. Always, we call it always dinner, guys. Anyway, good morning, love. Hey, good morning to them, look. Morning daw, guys. So, magkape lang tayo. Do you still have coffee? Is this new?
Yeah.
Okay. So, nagising ako, guys. Nagising ako mga 8. Almost 8. Sabi ko patay. 7:40 something lang. So, yan. He's having his pancake. I was thinking of having pancake, but I'm thinking about my son. So, my son want bread. Napagod, oh, guys. Look at that. It's okay. I'll get rid of the black thing. Oh my God. I'm watching Lifetime and Tommy left me. Tommy's watching Lifetime and he left me watching this weird show. Freaking nanny. And my husband left. And we cannot take it. We're not getting nanny.
Okay. Because we don't have kids, I guess.
No, you might have kids with her, then you have kids with me. Having nanny is scary. Oh. Maybe we need another cat nanny. So, ito, suot ko pa rin siya, guys, kasi gustong-gusto ko talaga. Pero ngayon, nainitan ako kasi yung may araw doon ba? May araw sa office ni Tami. Hi, what are you still doing? When are you gonna order mulch? You think we're still gonna have snow after all this?
Never know.
I'm going to protect the tree this year, okay? The 3 in the front and the 2 in the back, okay? I'm gonna do. There's gonna be a lot of mulching. That means we're not gonna order bags. That means order the whole truck, right? A big truck. A regular ordering, right? So, aalis ako and hindi ko na isama si Mr. Kasi si Mr. Tamimoy is busy and I'm not gonna wait. And also, he can't go with me because...
Well, you told me I can't go with you.
Yeah. Because, guys, alam nyo na, he's always like running around buying stuff that we don't need.
We do need.
We don't need.
My wife don't realize we need it until we actually need it.
No.
She don't think ahead.
Honey, you buy a lot of beans. You get a lot of canned beans, canned stuff.
Because
But you never use because, honey, it's end of the world. Look at it,
because you don't know what happens.
Look at him, guys. He's so busy with this thing. You cannot even see it. Yeah, he's always thinking ahead, guys. That means we're gonna get no money because it's end of the world. We're gonna buy a lot of cans.
We knew end of the world. Thinking ahead.
Thinking ahead. So I'm gonna go, and it's kind of windy. But beforehand, I'm gonna have lunch, okay? This is sleepyhead over here.
Oh, he'll wake up as soon as he hears you're having lunch.
Sleepyhead. Sleepyhead.
Okay, Mama, as soon as you open that refrigerator, my eyes will open
just
right up.
sleepyhead.
Right up, wide as
Oh
can
my
be.
God, he's so cute, hon.
Dad is gonna have tuna fish for lunch.
Sleep.
I'll be there.
I love you, Bob. I love you so
So you
much.
need another rye bread.
Can you make the salad tonight?
Yeah.
Because I'm gonna make some. And it's cloudy. Cloudy. Looks like it's going to rain. So yun, parang uulan talaga siya. Yung ano niya. Wala, nag-snow. Nag-snow, guys. Nag-snow pala. Hindi man ito malhala. Ang laki ng snow. Wala, it's snowing. It's snowing, guys. Oh my God. Nandito ba yung ano ko? Luwi, nag-snow. Kaloka. I don't know if you can see, guys, pero nag-snow siya. So, magmadali lang tayo kasi nag-snow na. Nagsugod nag-snow. Mahangin. Oh my gulay. Oh my God, yung snow. Oh, snow. But I need to go. Kailangan ko ng gulay, pagkain, ganun. Huh? Pagkain. I wanna know what love is. So yan, guys. Nalit ako umalis sa bahay kasi nanonood ako ng Lifetime na movie. Nakakaano ba, nakaka-stress yung Lifetime. Oy, may mga suspense, 'di ba? May mga suspense kasi kung sinong pumatay, ganun. So yun. Ay, it's sunny na. Madali lang. Gusto lang akong mag-grill din mamaya. Bakit masakit? Gusto kong mag-grill. Vlog siya. May vlogger dito kasi may nagba-vlog. Nagba-vlog yung driver ng truck. Nag-park siya doon and then nag-vlog. Tapos na finally. Hindi mo na ako magkuha ng mask. Okay, guys. Yun, madalian lang. Mga ilang minuto lang ako doon. Ay, so sobrang madalian lang yung grocery kasi sabi pa ni Tammy bilisan ko daw. Ihon ko kung bakit bilisan ko. Hindi yan sinasabi noon na bilisan ko. This is his first time saying quick, okay? That's weird, right? Na sinabihan niya ako ng quick daw. Kaloka. First time yun. Anyway, let's go. May mga tao dito. Ang dami. Anyway, guys. Yung car ko is weird. Hi, Dada.
Stay in at a Disney Resort Hotel.
You wanna see what I got?
You can make all your Disney with Disney.
A big flake, and then suddenly when it's come down, it's become water. Come here. They don't have the beef steak as usual. They don't carry. And I got this for our breakfast.
Olive bread.
Yeah. And can you put this all in the refrigerator? Egg, because I want you to boil egg for the salad. And I got you fruit. Hala, the wind is crazy, huh? Thing, but this is the only thing they have.
This is it. See, it's wrapped special of the week. See, special.
Yeah.
Look.
Yeah, but they only have 2 left. 2 left, the same thing. So I got you
You
that.
should have got the both of them.
And I get you two that.
Two turkeys? What do I want? Two turkeys. You got this for
No,
animals.
one.
What are you kidding?
That's turkey and chicken.
Yeah,
for
got
you.
one for the animals.
Han.
I'm not gonna-
Han. And I get you that. And this is your dinner. Fish. Well, that's your dinner, fish. And then I'm gonna recook the steak. So it's good, right? Is that good? And then I will defrost the chicken for tomorrow.
So many really come.
Grabe, Han. Han, it's no blizzard, Han.
Feel that was safer inside.
Hala. Honey, come. Look, it's scary.
You will put a weapon.
Han, hurry up. It's no blizzard.
That's fine. That'll end in a minute.
Huh?
That'll end in a minute. Look at the force that comes with the wind.
The wind. Hala, Han.
We can crush those giants.
Hala. Oh my God, it's coming this way. Hala. Hala.
Let's see if the puppies will go with you out here.
No, don't let the dog out.
Why?
Oh my God. Huh?
You think they're gonna blow away?
No, because you don't know if the gate over there will go down. No, don't let the dog
They
out.
won't go anyway. Rocky will come right and sit by the door. Right?
Then don't let her out. Please. No, the fence is down.
The plane. Who on the plane?
No, you're liking this shit. Han, the blizzard, Han, oh? Oh my God, tignan nyo yung bukid, guys. At saka yung TV, ang lakas. Ay, tignan nyo yung bukid doon, oh. Ang dami liking it. Oh my God. Lo. Tignan nyo yan. Nag-snow, nag-blizzard pa. Aroy, ginoo ko. Nag-snow, nag-blizzard pa. Snow blizzard pala. So, ngayon, the same year lang siya ng the same month. I think that was the same month, March. Nag-blizzard din. Ang resulta, guys, sa blizzard, guys, the whole summer, sobrang windy. So, yun yung pinag-anuhan namin ni Tami kasi the same thing last year talaga, windy talaga, guys. It happened, Han, the same month, the same last year, the same blizzard, and it turned out like so windy the whole year, the whole summer last year. Oh my God, the snow is piling up. Ito yung binili ko, guys. Iwawash ko lang ito, guys, para makain. Yung shampoo na binili ko, conditioner, kasi wala na pala akong conditioner. Nakahanap ako ng coconut and hydration. So, yun yung gamitin natin. This in every...
I know, I can't play off top of that. You guys do a phone in it.
Sarap. The wind, hindi siya humihinto, as in lumalakas ang lumalakas. Nagbubuhol tayo ng egg before burn out. Mag-blackout, guys, because of the wind. Oh my goodness. And nanonood kami ng Noah. And my husband is gumagawa siya ng salad. Look, remember, Han, did you do it one by one, Han?
Some of you saw me that, though.
Huh?
Some of them got too brown.
Okay.
What are you doing with my sugar on that?
I will drive home at 9:01. Seemingly, I'm old, was really senior like around 25, 30 hours a week, 15. Uber gives me extra money I can spend on myself or on my friends.
Hi guys. So ngayon, lutuin ko lang tong ano guys, itong leftover steak para yun lang yung ano namin, i-dinner namin, and ano pa, yung isda. And then pupunta tayo mamaya sa baba. Magkuha tayo ng chicken, mag-defrost tayo kasi kailangan ko nang mag-defrost para bukas. Ito siya guys. Isa lang naman yung steak kasi binigay ni Tami yung leftover ko. So yan. Kaya isang pirasong steak, kinakat ko lang siya ng mga maliliit. And bukas, grabe yung hangin ba? Grabe yung hangin ba? Kailangan ko nang linisin yung drawer dito. Ang daming knife. Hindi ko na kaya anong gawin yung mga knife na ito.
I'm sure it'll be right too loud, so okay. I know, rice is life, I get it.
Himus kaayo, baby. Himus kaayo, eh. Himus man na. Ay, himus man ang among monkey. Monkey. Sit up. Sit up. Sit up. What's wrong? Ito siya, guys. Ang gagawin. Hold on, yung TV is maingay. So, yung asawa ko is parang hindi makarinig. Yung TV is always loud. So, lagyan ko ng butter, guys. Itong nilutuan ko ng steak. Look, maganda siya. May konting oil pa siya. And, yun. And then, iano natin ito ipa-fry sa butter.
All the news is sent to print.
Pinafry ko lang siya sa butter para naman may lasa.
Not a terrible thing.
No, and you know what? You need that sometimes just to hang out and relax a little bit. And then we have made omelets for breakfast.
If they don't have garlic, I get onions. If they don't have onion, I get everything.
Oof. You see, and I'm not a garlic or onion type, bagel type guy.
Yeah, you get no Italian blood.
Well, what are you trying to ward off vampires?
Yeah. Aren't you?
Okay.
Just like
Well, we can add it in our plate, right?
yeah.
Han, did that time went forward or backward? Forward. So, it's 6:11 na ngayon. It's supposedly 5:11 na dapat. It's supposedly 5:11. Dahil nag-ano siya. So, pareha na yung time natin sa Pilipinas. Kapag mag-change kasi dito, every year, mag-change siya. Yung last year, pa-backward kami. So, hindi na tayo magkapareha. And then this year, nag-change siya yesterday. So, nag-ano siya. Pareha na tayo ng oras. Different ano lang siya. Different hour of the day. Like, your night or morning. Your afternoon. Your afternoon or early in the morning. Ano na guys? 8:40. Almost 9 o'clock na. And yung asawa ko naliligo guys. Naligo lang siya. Sabi pa niya mabaho na daw siya. So yun. Check ko lang kung may open ba na mga pintuan. Kasi I have to make sure na close. Okay, hindi siya close. Ano lang guys, in ko na lang itong vlog. Sabi pa nila, masama daw yun kakain ka ng prutas before going to bed dahil sa sugar. I want ice cream. No. Kasi nakatingin ako sa salamin. Ang taba-taba ng mukha ko. Plano ko nang mag-exercise again. Kasi ang taba ko na. Hindi ko alam kung paano mag-diet. Wala yan sa ano ko. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. And yun. So, wala masyadong ganap ngayong araw. Mag-take ako ng medicine kasi matagal na akong hindi pala nag-take ng medicine.